This video will demonstrate an open source project that we have created to extend CX Cloud from Genesys and Salesforce to include a component whereby users can view and play back ACD voicemails when they're handling callbacks that include a voicemail on Genesys Cloud. This is an open source project that is provided as is without any implied warranty. This project was developed using VS Code and the Salesforce extension pack. If you are unfamiliar with the Salesforce extension pack, it is provided by Salesforce as a plug-in or extension for VS Code, and it makes developing and maintaining a Salesforce org through code much simpler, provides IntelliSense and type ahead for developing Lightning Web components and Apex classes, Aura components. It also provides an org browser whereby you can see what is configured on a given Salesforce org to which you have authentication credentials, and it allows you to download, update, and publish into a Salesforce org different components. We're going to use this to show how to deploy this software. As we look at the open source project, using the extension pack, it automatically created the appropriate folder structure for a Salesforce project. Couple of folders that we're going to look at, Lightning Web Components being one. We've created a Lightning Web Component called ACD Voicemail Viewer. If you're familiar with Lightning Web Components, they come with 3 files, an HTML file, a JavaScript file, and a metadata XML file, which defines how and where this can be used. That code is included in this, as well as a static resource. The static resource handles our login callback to store credentials without relying on third-party cookies so that it is fully secure and supported by all modern browsers. If I want to publish this into my Salesforce org, all I have to do is highlight the main application and choose deploy to this source to org, and the Salesforce extension pack will do all of the rest. It will automatically authenticate into my default org, assuming that I've put my credentials in, or it will ask me to authenticate into an org. In this case, it automatically picked up the authentication, and as you can see, it published the 5 files that I referenced a moment ago into my Salesforce org. Let's transition now and take a look at a demo of this open source project in action. Okay, I'm logged into Salesforce Service Console using CX Cloud user. I've currently got that user in busy status. There is a voicemail waiting in the queue. When I go available for all, it will provide me with that work. Here is the callback record with the voicemail attached, and you can see here is the voicemail player that automatically loaded, and it gives me the ability to play it back.
Brian, I'm doing a quick demo of our ACD Voicemail Viewer GitHub open source project. This is
a Lightning Web Component. You can deploy it anywhere on the voice call record page you would like. It uses the data of the voice call record that is standard to pick up the conversation ID and use that against Genesys Cloud, so it should be deployed on a voice call record page, but you can put it wherever you like. You can put it under a tab. You can place it where I did here. This gives you volume controls, the ability to download, adjust playback speed, all standard WAV file components, and then once I've listened to the voicemail, I have the ability to execute the callback. So I hope this helps you with your workflows. Enjoy the use of this component, and good luck.